Slow trips with the Buchegger family. As we all know, the best stories begin with once upon a time. So, once upon a time, there was a small family business that was completely dedicated to honest products and the cultivation of typical orchards.
Hat es hier wieder ein neues Leben gekriegt und keine einfache Schaubrennerei. Wird wieder weiter genutzt. Macht auf jeden Fall Sinn im Sinne der Nachhaltigkeit.
The old farmhouse, dating back to 1793, has been carefully rebuilt. Rowan berries, dirndl fruit and a special type of pear, the Hirschbirne, are bottled here, as are juice, liquor or brandy.
Möglicherweise.
Also Apfel sind wir keiner.
Ja, das ist gut.
Noch keine Birne.
During the blind tasting, the flavors, the feel of the brandies in your mouth, as well as their overall harmony, are assessed. Results are written directly on a sheet of paper, followed by a lively discussion. There's definitely much fun to be had here. Johannes Buchegger informs his guests about the quality of the products in an entertaining way. Children can of course also learn how to judge juices. At the end, everyone receives a certificate for successfully completing the brandy tasting. If you like, you can then take home a piece of the Buchegger family business, including jams, pumpkin seed oil or pasta from the shop. Zeit für Land und Leute, experience people and culture. That is the motto of slow trips in Eastern Styria.
Danke für euch gekommen. Hat mich sehr gefreut. Die Verkostung für einen ehrlichen Produkt, da uns echt freuen, wenn Sie mal in der Gegenseitig sind, wieder vorbeischauen.